Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rabella Design. Today I am going to show you how we are going to make these very easy crochet short buttons. These buttons are very easy, especially for crochet beginners, dear friends, and it will ornament your simple shorts while using them on the buttons. It is really easy, really cute. I will explain every detail step by step. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on crocheting. For these buttons, I am using this kind of 4-season cotton yarn. This is standard ordinary cotton yarn, dear friends. You can also use amigurumi cotton yarns. And according to the size of my yarn, I'm using 3mm hook. We need scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need for this project. Okay, we are starting. I'm taking my yarn in my hand. First of all, I'm making a slip knot. Okay, I made the slip knot, and upon these slip knots I'm making 7 chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Inserting my hook through the chain 1, yarn over, pull through. I'm making 1 chain. Okay, this is our hole for the button, but if you are going to use these short buttons for bigger buttons, then you should make the chains longer than mine. For example, if your button is bigger, then you should make the chains 8, 9 or 10 according to the size of your own button. But mine is standard short button and 7 chain is okay for my button. Okay, I made one chain. Then I am making 1 single crochet, and this is second single crochet, and single crochet 3, and I am keeping this around the chains. At the same time I am making this secure, and also I am hiding it. I made 3 single crochet, and I am making single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am leaving this in the back because this is very short. It's been 10. In order to get some more space for the rest 2 single crochet, I am pulling to the right side. Okay, this is 11 and this is 12 single crochet I made. Okay, like this, and I am inserting my hook through the stitch of single crochet 1, like this. This is the stitch of single crochet 1. I inserted my hook, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch. First round finished for the button. After making the first round, you can try it if this hole is okay for your button or not. Later on you can go on for the further rounds. For example, yes, this is my simple shirt. Okay, I will try if this hole is okay for my short button. I am trying. Yes, this is very okay. That means I can go on the upper rounds. When you try if this is big for your button, then you should go back. You should start again and you should make less chains. Or if you see this is narrow for your short button, then you should make more chains. After making the first round, you are arranging the hole if it is okay for your button or not. This is 7 chain and it is okay for my button, like this. We are on the round 2. For the round 2, first of all, I'm making 2 chains. I am considering this as double crochet 1, yarn over. I am inserting my hook through the same stitch here, and making another double crochet. This is double crochet 2. I am going through the following stitch and I am making 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Here I made 1 double crochet and I am making another double crochet on the same stitch. It's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, going through the following stitch, making 1 double crochet firstly, and I am making second double crochet. Yarn over. I am going through the following stitch and I am making 2 more double crochet. This is 1, look like this, and I am making another double crochet in the same stitch, look like this. Yarn over, inserting my hook through the following stitch, first of all making 1 and then second. Like this, we are completing this round by making 2 double crochet on each single stitch. Yes, dear friends, I came to the end of the round 2. There should be totally 24 double crochet. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 2 chain is 24. Okay, now I'm inserting my hook on top of the chain 2. Chain 2 is our first double crochet, you remember. This is chain 1, this is chain 2. Inserting my hook on there, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch. Second round completely finished. Now we are on the round 3. Round 3 is our last round. I'm making 1 chain firstly and inserting my hook through the stitch 1. One moment. Yes, stitch 1. I'm making 1 single stitch, going through the following stitch. I'm making another, going through the following stitch. I'm making another. One by one we are making single stitches on each following stitch. We are not increasing, we are not decreasing, just we are making one by one single stitches. Look like this. Okay, I came to the end. I'm inserting my hook on top of the first single stitch, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch. Okay, it is like this. If you like, you can leave it like this by curving if you like this kind of button. First of all, I'm making 1 chain, cutting the yarn. I want this plain for this reason. I am stretching it with my hands. in order to make the end flat. But if you like curving, you can leave it like this. Look, our button is finished. Now we are going to clean the yarn ends. For cleaning the yarn ends, I'm using smaller size hook. If you cut the thread longer, you can use darning needle or you can go on with the same hook. But smaller size hook is easier for hiding the yarns. Through the back stitches, I am just sliding the rest of the thread. Okay. Okay. It is completely finished, dear friends. It is very easy, very lovely. You can ornament your simple t-shirts, simple shorts, simple cardigans, simple vests with these crochet buttons. It is really very nice. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like these very easy, very cute crochet simple buttons, crochet short buttons. I will go on sharing this kind of easy crochet patterns, dear friends. I will be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.